Welcome to round 2 of programming workout of mine, which consists of 5 minutes of typing and then 25 minutes of trying to understand the meaning of the life. Okay. So, what? So many mistakes, so many mistakes. Checked. Okay, read. Redis DB. J key. Okay. Oh, was 8% and 38 BPM. That's bad even for me. Oh, what are you doing? What? Why are you still pressing the spacebar? Huh? Okay, read or reply. Squint. I'm the worst. 5%. That's much better. That's much better. That's much better. I hope, is this short? Kinda. Can I make it in 40 seconds? I don't think so. Let's try. so this concludes our typing. I'll stop the clock and I will start the angular clock. And the angular clock means that we are doing angular, right? Okay, so we end up here in the for root, and also I should change my notes so next time I can start in the right place. I know what I did. Copy, and I won't do this. Yep. I just save it. Thank you so much. The method is called for root because you configure the router at the application's root level. I did read this, right? The for root method supplies the service providers and the directives needed for routing and performs the initial navigation based on the current browser URL. Cool. Next, app routing module exports route mod. Yeah, the Y. So it will be available throughout the app. Why? Because this one uses a router module, right? Because we will. Okay, so I guess we will need it somewhere else. I have no idea why we would need it. I'm sure they will tell us. Right? They will tell us. Add router outlet. Open the app component template. Okay, cool. So I replace the app heroes with a router outlet. Oh, really? So how? Okay, so I can replace it with a router outlet, but how can I tell, or how Angular knows what to display there now? Because previously it was the was it heroes component, right? And that has here defines the selector, which we will be replacing. But where, oh fuck, where is this? I'll go back. Where this one will go, you know, like how, where is this defined, the router outlet? Well, never mind. We will go to the app component template. That is right in here, and we will say router dash outlet. And save it, and maybe here something will happen. And also, a pro tip, use the developer tools included in your browser. That will help. Here we go. It's not too big. Okay, so connect and refused. Do we have some errors? No, it looks healthy. It looks healthy. Save this. Circle dependency plugin. The app component template no longer needs app-heroes because the app will only display the heroes component when the user navigates to it. Okay, so now we have the messages at the bottom, and then in the the middle, there will be something. We will be switching between those two. So maybe now we need to specify the road outlet, like when this guy should be showing, should be shown, or this one or that one, and then we have the messages below it. So this, in theory, right now should show only the messages, nothing else. That's my theory. So the router outlet tells the router where to display router views. The router outlet should be still running with this CLI. Yeah, it's running. Okay, cool. And now we cannot see the messages because the messages were coming from the components which are not shown, which are not loaded, so the components cannot send any message. And it's okay. It's okay. The browser should refresh and display the app, but the list of heroes, yes. Look at the browser's address bar. Yeah, so that's this guy. The URL ends in slash. Well, not really. But it's okay. So there, imagine there's slash at the end. The road path to heroes component is slash heroes. Append slash heroes. Okay. Slash heroes. Cool. Cool. Why? Heroes. No. It was the router. Unfreeze, you goddamn beast. Routing module. Okay, it is. Yeah, because this guy will be heroes 2. Save it. This will stop working. This will not work anymore, and I will have to write here heroes 2. And god damn it, rebuild, update, recompiling. So that's, you did it now, right? Subscriber error. What is this? Unquotes, cannot match any roads. Is URL segment heroes. Sure, so we will say rows 2, and this works. This works. So this is where we did define it. Okay, save it. You should be still running the CLI. The browser should refresh. Yep. Component is heroes, append heroes to URL browser address bar. You should see the familiar heroes master detail. Yep. Add a navigation link, router link. Okay, so interesting. The app component HTML. We will add a link to this slash heroes, and that was in the app component HTML as the template, right? And on top it was what? Nav, and a, and this will be router link, and it will be heroes there. It should work. Add enough element and within an anchor element that when click triggers navigation to the Heroes component. The revised F component template looks like this, which I did. A rotor link attributes is set to slide heroes. The string that the rotor matches to the row to heroes component. Okay, so cool. Here's tour of heroes. Yeah, so that's the title in here. Cool. And then when I click this, it changes the path here. So the rotor link, I suppose, basically puts whatever you say in here in the end. The rotor link is the selector for rotor link directive that turns user clicks into rotor navigations. It's another of the public directives in the rotor module. The browser refreshes and display the app title and heroes link, but not the heroes list. It's quiet, too quiet. You can open the stream manager on the phone. I wanted to try it. Looks like this. No one is saying anything in there because I don't know. It is what it is, and I'm there for an hour early. That's cool, bro. A rotor link attribute arrows, route module. Where did I end up? The browser refreshes and displays the app title and heroes link, but not the heroes list. Yeah, and when I click, it goes to the heroes and it appears. And this one still works as it was previously. Make this and future navigation links look better by adding private CSS styles to app component CSS as listed in the final code review below. Okay. So we will go back and use some CSS. Now that's hero detail. Was it the hero detail? I'll put it in here. So app component.css. That's here. Open, goddammit. Did I told you that I need faster computer? Oh, there it was. Where did you app component CSS? Okay, so that. Just paste it. Save. And it might rebuild. It will, but it just will take a lot of time, and my butt hurts. This is stupid chair. Oh, that's nice to see. It's like much nicer. That looks much nicer. Cool. Add a dashboard view. So we will be generating a component. So there's only the heroes view and dashboard component using CLI. Okay, so we'll do that. So we will. I'm not looking. ng generate component and name, right? Yep. I have a typo. Component dashboard. Go, 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 go. Okay, so it has been generated somewhere in here. Close you. Close view, I say. Close you. It's a computer. And we have the dashboard. Hooray! Okay, so it's all red. So we will add it to our version control system. That's okay. And the previous thing, which you know what, I will do commit. Chapter. This is app. Is that how it's called? Add in-app navigation. Navigation. Okay. I'm tired as hell. Progress. This will be add router outlet complete. Push. Not push, commit. Commit is what I meant. So we can happily continue. This is a dashboard view. Routing makes more sense when there are multiple views. So far there's only the heroes view. This guy, we did. The CL generates the file to the dashboard. Replace the default content with these three files as follows. Okay, so we have the dashboard component. Dashboard component TS. Open it. Open up. Okay, so that's the view. So that's the HTML. Sure, we can do that first. And computer is killing me. Like everything is lagging. This is like, oh my nerves. Okay, copy. Paste. Cool. 1 down, 2 to go. This is the component. Don't do this to me. This builds patience, or at least it's testing my patience. Okay, so component, then, so what is extra? There's some imports. There's this decoration of the component, which is the same. Then we have this variable rows. This is okay. It takes hero service, get heroes, and it puts in the. Oh really? Why? Why would we do that? It looks like a previous one, and this guy over here, the N on it is red, and that is because we don't have defined return type, which is void, which means nothing. Which means nothing. Which means it's not like it doesn't mean anything to the compiler. It means it will not return anything. That's what I wanted to say. So what's the next guy? So dashboard component CSS. Yeah, right. Why not? So I will copy it, and in here I will paste it. Okay, cool. So we did that. So this is bullcrap. But what about this? Oh, not bullcrap. I mean, it's the style sheet. Not so interesting for us. So constructor heroes, and it has the get heroes method, which returns nothing. Which adds heroes slice 1 to 5. Okay, so that will provide only the first 5 heroes. First 4. But I don't have that many heroes, so we will add some more. That's okay. The template presents. Okay, it doesn't present anything right now. So I have this goes to heroes, and this guy has what? It says app dashboard, and we did not configure the road yet, so it will not show. The template represents grids of hero name links. Okay, the template. So ng4. So for this, because of the styling, it will go different. Okay. If I do this, it will probably do nothing. This is not served. This will do nothing. It doesn't have the headers, like nothing. I'll just close it. I'm so tired. Oh my god. But we did some progress. Creates many links. Okay, so template here they are describing heroes component. It defines heroes, sorry for the T. Hero service on agent lifecycle who calls get heroes. Okay, I did not notice that. Ah, yeah, okay, so it's called that. This get heroes returns a slice list of heroes at positions 1 and 5, returning only the top 4 heroes. 4 of the top heroes. Second, third, yeah. Yeah. Why don't you take the first one? Okay, so this one is the next thing we will be doing. And the time is up, so I will just make a note. I will paste it. Save it. I will go here and we are over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and we are done with this round of programming workout. Stop the timer. Stop recording.